Kaya pala. Kaya pala sila binuhos nila yung 2024 nila sa mga solo projects. Ang dami nilang solo projects. Kasi sa solo projects, hindi ako sure sa tingin ko lang, sa solo projects, kanila lahat yun. Kunwari, may concert si Ken, may concert si Pablo, may short film siya. Si Stel, naglabas ng album, may mga concert siya na solo as Stel. Si Justin, may mga concert siya. Meaning, sa kanila yun, solo. Napupunta kasi hindi naman yun technically together sila na matatawag na SB19 na may kahati pa sila sa one sa show BT. Kaya para sila nag-solo. Tapos ngayon na trademark, nakuha na nila yung trademark, babalik na. Mindset ba? Mindset. Let's go. Alright! Yeah! So nabalitaan natin sa TikTok na nakuha na ng 1Z Entertainment ang trademark ng SB19. Dito sa SB19 Stars 2025 with name and trademark finally registered to 1Z Entertainment. So I'm so happy. Congratulations! Congratulations SB19, 1Z and 18. Mga mastermen. Let's go, no? Nakuha na din natin yung matagal nating hinahangad. This is big time para sa SB19, sa 1Z Entertainment at sa buong fandom, sa 18, everybody. And panoorin natin tong video ni Miss O para mas maintindihan ko pa habang kumakahol yung mga aso na sarap. Joke ko lang. Mahal natin yung mga aso. Kumahol na kayo, sige lang, okay lang. Okay lang. Kamusta pala kayo? Akala nyo Kamusta, Master? Okay lang ba? Okay. Let's go. Tingnan nga natin to. Wait. Ulit. Ano ba yan? Sana okay lang kayo sa inyong mga tahanan. And let's go.
SB19 starts 2025 with a big blessing. Name and trademark finally registered to 1Z Entertainment.
Finally registered to 1Z Entertainment.
No wonder SB19 scheduled their grand comeback this 2025 as their name and trademark is now officially registered to 1Z Entertainment, their own management company. Yes, you heard.
Damn. So talagang sinadya nila na yung simula at wakas ngayon para lahat ng pwedeng makuha nila sa kanila na yun. Okay. So, status registered, mark, N? Ano meaning ng N? SB19, original flag, publication, number, 9 ano? Nice classes, 1Z Entertainment Corporation. Anong difference nitong dalawang 941, 1Z? Damn!
That's right. Their biggest battle is now over. Last August of 2024, we have reported that although SB19 was still registered to show BT, they have abandoned it with finality on the said month, hence allowing 1Z Entertainment to apply for registration on the said trademark. And now this 2025, the biggest blessing has been bestowed to our P-Pop King as the name SB19 and trademark is now fully registered to 1Z Entertainment. All rights from their songs, concerts, merch, events, projects, and endorsements now fully belong to them. Our boys have fought bravely and yet...
Yes, kasi medyo nakakatamad kasi yun, men. Kaya pala sila binuhos nila yung 2024 nila sa mga solo projects. Ang dami nilang solo projects. Kasi sa solo projects, hindi ako sure sa tingin ko lang, sa solo projects, kanila lahat yun. Kunwari, may concert si Ken, may concert si Pablo, may short film siya. Si Stel, naglabas ng album, may mga concert siya na solo as Stel. Si Justin, may mga concert siya. Meaning, sa kanila yun, solo. Napupunta kasi hindi naman yun technically together sila na matatawag na SB19 na may kahati pa sila sa one sa show BT. Kaya para sila nag-solo. Tapos ngayon na trademark, nakuha na nila yung trademark, babalik na. Mindset ba? Mindset. Let's go. Let's go. So ngayon, damn! Okay, napakaangas. Congratulations! Oh my God! Let's go. Ganun mga mindset ng pre-18 tsaka SB19 ba? Bright ba? Bright. Okay.
Quietly. So expect that their next comeback, the Simula at Wakas, will be the loudest and grandest ever.
Grabe nga. Ang saya no? Siguro yung mga pitik nila dati ng mga gano'n, no? Ngayon, mga gano'n, no? Kasi 100% sa kanila na lahat eh. Lahat ng makukuha nila, ganado. Kasi yung lahat ng mga pwede mo makuha, 100% sa inyo na eh. Yun, man.
As their way of expressing gratitude to 18, who never left and still chose to stand by their side.
Tapos na yun. Ay, Miss O, thank you for this tawag nito. Ano ba tawag niyan? News. Miss O. Ay, ano ba yan? Isa-search ko yung yung tawag nito. SB19 trademark. Para lang mas maintindihan ko ng konti pa, no? Unfollows due to SB19. May kulang pa sa trademark ito.
In the fullness of time, everything you fought for and deserve will be yours. Hi 18. We've got some awesome updates about SB19 today. As we've always said, you can never hide anything from the Hawkeye-like vision of 18. Just recently, after curiously checking the status of SB19's trademark name and logo on IPO-PHL, Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines, 18 spotted major updates on the status of SB19's brand name and logo. As of the moment, based on the said website's information, the registration of SB19's name and logo under their former entertainment agency is placed under the status showing ended. At the same time, it shows that the ownership of the brand name SB19 and its accompanying logo is now solely under 1Z Entertainment ownership under the NICE Classification 9 and 41. Now, for those of you who might just have heard of it for the first time, Classification 9 and 41 basically cover these specific aspects.
Okay. Downloadable video recordings featuring music and downloadable digital music. Tapos yung 41 entertainment. So may mga classification siya. So ito yung dalawa. Pero kanina meron din yung isa yung madami, 9, 11, mga ganun kanina. So ibang mga classifications pa yon na talagang maano nila makuha nila yung trademark.
For NICE Classification number 9. Downloadable video recordings featuring music and downloadable digital music. For NICE Classification number 41, it covers the entertainment aspect. As of the moment though, 1Z Entertainment seems to not own or registered yet.
So ito ata yung na-register na nila. Kasi sabi sa nakita ko sa sa Facebook. Lahat na daw kanila na eh. So I guess itong dati 4 months ago na hindi pa kanila na to. Man, praise the Lord. We deserve this. Wala kayong karapatang kumuha ng 5 duling ha. Hindi kayo nagbayad ng pamasahe nung nagpa-practice sila. Mga hinamukal kayo.
For SB19's
pero
name
and pa rin sa Showbiz kali. Tsaka kay Tatang, tsaka sa lahat ng doon. Kasi even though it's hard and it's not fair, salamat pa rin kasi naging daan pa rin kayo. Pero yeah, it is what it is. We need to do this, man. We need to stand with our own feet, and it has happened. So thank you and goodbye.
Logo under the NICE Classification number 16, 18, 25, and 28 yet. For this specific classifications, it is currently showing as ended and abandoned with finality. Now, please note that this classifications we've just mentioned mostly cover trademarks for merchandise, and some 18 are waiting for 1Z to claim these trademark classifications now. We're sure
Okay, so Bob, siguro may kailangang bayaran ang SB19 para makuha nila tong mga classifications na to with regards to merchandise, no. Yun siguro yung pinag-ipunan nila as solo artist para mabayaran nila. Mindset. SB19 mindset, pre, ha. Let's go.
SB19's management is doing everything they can behind the scenes,
Dami, oh.
and we're already seeing the fruits of their efforts, one step at a time. These are significant victories and milestones, which we're certain will further catapult SB19 to more opportunities unbounded by limitations and metaphorical chains mentioned in their recent release Kalakal. Congratulations 18 and SB19.
Damn, definitely. Once again, congratulations aking mga master. Congratulations 18, congratulations SB19. Man, this is just a wonderful day, a wonderful year, and let's claim it. This is our year to be more prosperous, to be more Maraming salamat, Master. Yeah, this has been Curbs PH. Get ready for 2025. Ha! Let's go!